Hello traders, today is the 14th of Jan 2025 and I just finished my London morning session. Let me share with you how we analyze the market this morning. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar and as mentioned in my previous analysis yesterday, if you have seen it, we have this short trade here, bank amazing profit. So yesterday, once we see the price reverse and as we explained, if you look at this body is covered more than 50% of the previous body as explained, if the price is going to respect stay above this low candle, then I'm expecting possibility of counter long trade. So we had this beautiful counter long trade, bank amazing profit this morning. As explained, possibility of another pullback. We already had this beautiful long trade here, bank some profit as soon as the price respected the major resistance level. As you can see here, this is the area which price respected. So this is the retest, price refuse, and then we also had this short trade here. Now we're expecting, let's see if the price is going to respect. That's a sign of continuation to the downside. We'll see. But being an intraday, let me share with you how we analyze the market. This counter long trade here, bank amazing profit this morning. And if you look at here, we already had this short trade as mentioned from yesterday. That was the last trade we had it, bank some profit. And after that, we had counter long trade opportunity. We're waiting for, as you have seen my previous analysis, we have this beautiful breakout. Once the price break and bank some profit, then as I explained, let the price develop another structure and look for the opportunity. As you have seen, the price broke on the previous high, as explained, possibility of high probability is sign of continuation as a counter. And if you look ahead, the price develop impulsive reaction and correction. So we had this beautiful pullback as mentioned here. And after that, based on the momentum, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So we announced this long trade, this one through live ID commentary. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my trader's time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful counter long trade on pound dollar. So we also had that another beautiful long trade here this morning. As explained, we already banked this profit as a counter long trade here. So we were expecting here, as explained my trader, that you can see here, as I mentioned here through live analysis. And if the price is going to break, then the possibility of long. And if the price going to break, then possibility of short trade here. So you can see here, point of interest when the price was about to break, momentum was bullish. And that's what explained my trader. It's time to open a long trade here. As you can see here, even now, if you look at here, based price nicely broken after the breakout price retest without the color changing of candlestick. And as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what explained my trader, consider banking some profit and wait for the price to develop another opportunity for us to look for it. So once we bank this profit, and then at that time, price nicely hit this previous high. And then we look at, guys, let's see here what kind of price action, if it is going to break out to the long or is it going to continue, because we were also paying attention to this area. So we had price develop another false breakout, which in intraday, this is what we're looking here. That's what explained my trader. You can see here this false breakout. Price should stay above, but price refuse. Price also break as a false breakout here. So what we're looking here, let the price come out from the structure. That's going to give us a clear direction whether we have the rejection at the 4 hour major resistance or is going to be continue. So you can see here the price nicely broken. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. That's what exactly we have a amazing intraday system. And after that, price nicely broken and booked another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what we explain our traders time to bank some profit. The profit target based on the 4 hour, this is the area where I was expecting here to look for bank some profit. So now you can see, guys, how we analyze the market in 4 hour and help our traders to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade. We also had amazing trade. Let me share with you the gold. Gold, we had a nice trade here. And as you have seen in my previous analysis, we yesterday, we had this beautiful breakout short trade here, and afterwards you can see how we had a nice bearish momentum. Amazing trade we had it. So this morning, as I explained to my trader, if the price is going to hit this level around looking for another price action, but price also refused this area, which is this area. So let's see if the price is going to break. We also had a counter long trade this morning, but as soon as the price respected here, this area, so we are expecting a pullback short trade here. So now we are paying attention to this area. Let's see if the price is going to break. Then I'm expecting a continuation to the downside. Uh, we'll see. But otherwise, if you look ahead, we also have impulsive, but we haven't seen any impulsive reaction to the downside. We'll see here. So being an intraday, how we analyze both long and short. Yesterday, you have seen we had a nice, beautiful short trade, bank some profit. So this morning, we had a beautiful counter long trade here. That was a pretty standard because we always look at the price action. As you can see, if price developed false breakout, momentum was bullish, price nicely broken, and we have one pullback and second pullback. This is the fifth channel, which is the first target. We bank some profit after banking some profit. Let's say, let explain to matter. Let the price develop another structure or pattern, give us the sign of continuation. So we had it another beautiful short trade here. That was the pretty standard and straightforward. We were looking this consolidation breakout. At that time, the price was around this level. So we were expecting a breakout, but price refused. So but we need intraday. In intraday, we have symmetric triangle pattern was developed, which we broadcast that information. And as soon as the price broken, I said, as long as the price does not break any recent high, any pullback would consider high probability trade. Momentum was bearish. We have this beautiful breakout. After that, we announce all these pullbacks through live ID commentary, helping our trader not to miss this opportunity. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, we bank amazing profit on gold this morning. So that was a beautiful trade. We also had amazing trades on. Let's pick up. Let's look at the Euro USD. And if you look at the Euro USD, we had yesterday we had a nice, beautiful short trade here, and this is the short trade. We had it yesterday, as you have seen my previous analysis. That was the beautiful bank some profit. So this is the area where we're expecting possibility of. If you look at here, this is the area where we're expecting possibility of counter opportunity, and we did. So we how we analyze the market. Look at this. This candle is inside this candle. That's give us the high probability at the and you can see here the price nicely broken after the breakout. You can see here this candle give us the rejection. So we had this beautiful long trade here, bank some profit. Even this morning, as explained, look for if the price is going to break this one long here. As soon as the price hit this area, you can see here as a similar trader, bank some profit, and let's look for another price action. Now, how I analyze in intraday, that's the key important thing is because by looking at the historical chart, it's easy to do analysis. But the key important thing is doing a future analysis. That's the key important. That's what we did. So let me explain to you. We had this beautiful short trade. This was the last short trade we had it yesterday. Bank some profit, and afterwards we had a counter long trade here. That was the again we look at the price action as explained. That's the part of the training which we provide every day. I say, guys, look at the price action here. Price develop low high. This is the basic price action and price broken, and this is the high is broken. Let's see here if the price is going to reverse. Then I'm expecting a counter opportunity, which I already mentioned in 4 hour. We have this beautiful. We say take a pullback, take a pullback. As soon as the price, I say, guys, consider banking some profit is a London Open. Let's see here what kind, because we are looking this breakout. If the price gonna break, then long here. So we banked some profit, and this morning we had another beautiful long trade here, which is a pretty standard and straightforward. We look at the basic price action as explained. If the price is going to break, then take a long trade here, and the target would be around this level, which you can see here the price not even broken after the breakout price. So give us the confirmation, hit to the profit target as what explained my trader. At least move your stop loss at the break even or consider banking some profit. So that was a beautiful long trade. We had it. All right. So we had a lot of analysis, guys. I just mentioned you a couple of them. But we also had another beautiful long trade. Let me explain to you the scenario of dollar again. As we explained my trader, we have this rejection, but we're looking some sort of price action here. But being an intraday, if we don't get any clear direction, we're not going to be initiate in this one because we have seen a lot of rejection here. We also have a lot of rejection here. So let's say, hey, what kind of price action is going to develop? Price was about to break. I said, let's wait for that. So we had an intraday inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that's give us the high probability of counter long trade here. The target was the previous high, which price nicely hit. So how we did analysis in intraday, let me explain to you. This is what we did, and that what we explained to our trader. Look for this structure breakout, and also we explain our trader price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, and also low high basic price action, impulsive correction, impulsive, and this is, and based on this all the other factors we take in place, based on that we had a nice amazing breakout long trade, nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit on dollar yen. So all right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis review, but you can enjoy more if you watch it in real time. That's the amazing part of it. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Until next time, all the best.